What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Rhonda Samia, and I am back with another video. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Rhonda Samia. I am a sergeant in the Army. I've been in for 7 years, and I'm currently stationed at Fort Bragg, North Carolina. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that I recently bought a house about 6 months ago. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure that you guys check that video out. I will leave the description up in the box below and also in the description box. If you guys are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I finally have 3,000 subscribers, and I just want to thank each and every one of you guys that watch me, follow me, and been messaging me, asking me where I'm at. People that ask me questions about the military and all that. Like, I truly appreciate it. And I'm still trying to get better with making videos because I know I suck. But it is what it is. I have been busy with life and yada, yada, yada. But I'll make more videos explaining all that and other. But today's video, if you guys see by the title, I'm going to be telling you guys how to get an interior designer on a budget. Because, you know, your girl is broke. Like, but I wanted an interior designer to do my living room, and that's just what I did. I'm also going to be giving you a tour of my furnished downstairs area, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I am like such a sporadic person. Like, one day I would get an idea in my head and I'd be like, you know what? I gotta do that. Like, that has to happen. I'm gonna make this happen. So probably around December, January time frame, I was thinking about getting an interior designer to do my living room. I used to always go on Pinterest and look at all the housing designs, and I'm like, oh my God, like I want that for my living room. And I think I'm a pretty artsy person. However, when it comes to like actually doing a design, I don't think I would have been able to pull off what my interior designer did. And she was amazing. So like I said, it was random, and I just started looking up interior designers in Fayetteville, and I came across a couple of them, but this one girl in particular stood out. Her name was Joanna, and I'm going to leave her information in the box. So if you guys do come to Fayetteville or are in the Fayetteville area, definitely check her out because she is amazing. I'm definitely going to get her to do my home office and probably my bedroom as well, further down the line. She is a Black female, and she was also in the Air Force. So I definitely was like, yes, I need to have her. And then her website had all the things that she did. She has a YouTube channel. She has a Instagram and a Facebook. So I'll definitely leave her information again, like I said, at the bottom. So I just emailed her and I'm like, hey, how much is a consultation? And she was pretty much like, a consultation is free, and when do you want to do it? So I told her when I wanted to do it. We scheduled our date. She came to my house, and she just pretty much asked me what my budget was. She asked me what I didn't like, what I did like, what I envisioned my area to look like, if I had any inspirations, like such as a picture or anything like that. And me, I didn't have anything in mind. Like, I'm just like, I just need something to happen. You know, I just need something to happen. And she was like, all right. So she wrote down all the information. Like I said, she asked me what my budget was, and I'm like, I don't even know what like a budget for interior designing is. Like, I didn't know anything about interior designing. And she was like, usually people can go all the way from like $2,000 to $10,000. And your girl don't got no $10,000. So I was like, okay, $3,000 sounds like a good amount for me. And she was like, okay. And then she charged by, I think, per feet of the room. That was her like personal fee. So her fee altogether came out to like $900. So $3,900 is what I paid to get my living room done. At first, I really did not want my couch, but now that I see how it looks with everything together, I think I'm going to keep my couch for a little while. But at first, I didn't want my couch because I didn't like it. It just was just so random. I didn't feel like it flowed with the rest of my furniture. And you guys will see what everything looks like in a minute. But yeah, she drew up my design plan. She told me what she was gonna do. She said it would take a couple weeks for all the pieces to get here. And while I was away at ALC, which I haven't told you guys, but yes, I graduated ALC, but I'll get to that in another video. When I graduated while I was in ALC, Jesus Christ. While I was in ALC, she came and she put everything together. And when I first saw the pictures, like, the pictures did no justice to actually coming home and seeing everything put together. Like, It literally looks like something out of a magazine, and I was so pleased and so happy with everything. And yeah, she was just amazing. So I definitely recommend, if you guys do want to get an interior designer, do it. Like, I think that is such an amazing feeling when you come home and you love the space that you're in, because this is your house. Like, this is the place where you relax and you do everything. So you should have something that you love in your house. And right now, I love everything about my downstairs. I want to make a couple more changes, but overall, like, this is definitely a 10 out of 10. I definitely recommend. And again, you don't need a crazy ass budget to get something nice. Like, this was cheap as hell. Like, I don't think if I would have done this myself, like, it would have came out to half of what it is now. So hopefully you guys enjoy my living room as much as I enjoy my living room. The process was super easy, and if you can afford to put a couple $1,000 away to get an interior designer to make a space yours, definitely take full advantage of it. But yeah, let me get to showing you what it looks like. All right, y'all, so this is what my living room would look like before I got my interior designer. It was plain as hell. Nothing in there, nothing. As you can see, I just have the couch and I have a little internet router box and my TV. And this was it. This is all I had. So wait till you guys see the transformation. What? Do y'all see this? This shit is bomb as hell. Yes, come through, interior designer. All right, so this is a quick overview of everything. And then we'll start with the kitchen. So nothing really crazy. It's my trash can, my little bar area. And this is what it looks like this way. My little coffee, tea area. I need to get a new Keurig because my old Keurig broke. So I just used the one that I had in Korea as for now. And obviously I need to get some more coffee to put in here. And then all my Yogi teas. And then this is just a little cool area. Put our book bags, my jacket, the dog stuff, shoes for now. Oh my God, look at my kids' shoes. Like, ooh, child. And then Bella's little eating area. All right, so this is my living room, guys. And when I tell you that I absolutely love it, I absolutely love it. So here, she just put a little bin with a blanket and a pillow. Those are my old pillows that were on the couch. And I absolutely love these curtains. They're white and gray and they come all the way to the floor. My fireplace I still haven't set up yet, so everything that is in there needs to get set up. But like I said, I haven't done it yet, and eventually I'll do it for the winter time so that I can actually light my fireplace. And then of course the TV. Another thing that I also like is this plant. I think this plant is so beautiful. It's artificial, but it's cool because I can't take her plants anyway. So another thing that she did that I really liked is she made this window look elongated by adding these mirrors right here. And you can see Bella in the mirror. And then also I love this large picture. And then I just have those little silver plates on the walls. And then this is the couch. And at first I was gonna get rid of my couch because honestly, I did not like it at all. But I just think she made everything come together and just look so good. And I have my little blankets on there. This is the living room table with the candle and these little tulips that are artificial as well. Another thing that I really like are these little end tables. And they're like easily to manipulate for my son. So we just sit here and then he'll eat his snacks or whatever. So I think these are really cool. They're easy to move, easy to maneuver. And that's why I really like these. And then over here, we just have another table. And then I have this little phone charger. And then of course, Mr. Clean, which is my little robot vacuum. The favorite part of my house is definitely downstairs. Like, everything is coming along so nicely. I plan on getting some blinds for this door because, yeah, I don't want people looking all in my house. But as of now, I still haven't gotten them. And I love fresh flowers. And I've actually had these flowers for a long time. I'm surprised they're still living because look at the bottom. They're like all dead, but they still look beautiful. So I still have them. And then I also plan on getting the little storage bins for this little compartment right here. Right now we just like put shoes down there. And another thing that I like about my little downstairs is my little wine bar area. So I got this little bar cart and I am eventually going to get a new one because I wanted it to match with like everything that's in here, which has this chrome kind of coloring, like all the tables, even the stuff in the living room is all like this chrome color. However, this one is like a silver, but it's not really chrome. So eventually I'm going to get another bar cart and I'm going to decorate it and obviously have more alcohol in there. But this was like a last minute purchase. I'm like, because I had all this alcohol here and I'm like, let me find something to put it on. So yeah, that is definitely going to be something I'm going to upgrade. And then another thing that I really love is this little wine holder. And as you guys can see, well, my favorite wine is, I am not a person that likes strong wine. Like, Stella Rosa is amazing because it's like super sweet. So if you don't drink wine and you want to start drinking wine, I definitely suggest getting Stella Rosa. But yeah, this is like so pretty. I bought this from Amazon. My dog is making all types of noises. And it was really cheap and it just looks so nice. I love the little grape that it has on there. And it says home. I should have got the one that said wine, but I wasn't thinking. But yeah. And that was the tour of my downstairs, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, like I said, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, do all that. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Snapchat at Rhonda Samia. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.